All right, so we're going to be installing this piece here, 6/7 rail pressure sensor. All right, so we're going to put this back in. I don't remember the torque spec, so I'm going to have to look it up. But fairly straightforward. It was an engine 1/16 or a 27 millimeter. We'll torque it up. All right, looks like the torque spec is 74 foot-pounds, so we'll torque it to that. All right, so that's back in. It does appear we have a little leak somewhere. I'll have to check that out. Stupid apps, always in the way. But anyways, 6/7 sensors in, pretty easy, but should help us monitor and maybe turn up the pressure a little bit.